Starting a beauty and hair salon for women of color in New York City is a lucrative and impactful business that celebrates diverse beauty.
Welcome to Business Matters, a presentation of the Chamber Coalition, which comprises the New American Chamber of Commerce, the African American International Chamber of Commerce, and the Hispanic American International Chamber of Commerce. To become a chamber member, be a guest, or register for our events, go to www.nacc.nyc. That's www.nacc.nyc, or call us at 718-722-9217. That's 718-722-9217.
How to start a beauty and hair salon for women of color in NYC. A step-by-step guide. New York City is a vibrant hub for fashion, beauty, and culture, making it an ideal place to open a beauty and hair salon that caters to women of color. Black and brown women have unique hair care needs, and the demand for salons specializing in natural hair, protective styles, relaxers, and specialized treatments continues to grow. If you are passionate about hair care and beauty, starting a salon that focuses on Black, Afro-Latina, and other women of color can be a profitable and fulfilling business. However, launching a beauty and hair salon in NYC requires careful planning, legal compliance, and strategic marketing. To ensure your business is properly set up and legally protected, hire the business attorneys at Figueroa and Associates. Their team offers legal representation and marketing guidance to help you navigate the complexities of the beauty industry. Contact them at askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 for professional support. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to launch your beauty and hair salon for women of color in NYC successfully. Step 1. Conduct market research and develop a business plan. Market research. Before investing in your salon, you need to understand your target market, competition, and service demand. Identify your target audience. Women of color in NYC with different hair textures, including Afro-textured curly and relaxed hair. Analyze competitors. Study successful salons in NYC such as Devachan Salon, Curly Hair, The Hair Whisperer, Natural Hair, and Harlem's Natural Sisters Salon to understand their pricing, services, and customer engagement. Trending services. Look into the most in-demand services including silk presses, lock maintenance, protective styling, and organic hair treatments. Create a business plan. A detailed business plan will help structure your salon and attract investors or loans. Include the following. Business concept. Define your specialty services, such as natural hair care, locks, extensions, and scalp treatments. Service pricing. Develop a competitive pricing strategy based on market research. Financial plan. Outline startup costs, expected expenses, and revenue projections. Marketing strategy. Detail how you will attract and retain clients through social media, influencer partnerships, and promotions. Operational plan. Describe your salon layout, stylist hiring, and daily operations. Step 2. Choose a legal structure and register your business. Opening a beauty salon in NYC requires business registration, licensing, and legal compliance. Business registration. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship. Simple setup, but no liability protection. Limited liability company, LLC, protects personal assets and is ideal for small businesses. Corporation, S Corp or C Corp, suitable for larger salons with multiple investors. Register your business with the New York Department of State. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS for tax purposes. File for a business license with the NYC Department of Consumer and Worker Protection. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Cosmetology license. You and your employees must be licensed by the New York State Department of State, Division of Licensing Services. Salon business license. Required for operating a salon in NYC. NYC Health Department permits. Necessary for salons offering hair washing, facials, or massages. Certificate of occupancy. Confirms your salon space meets zoning and safety regulations. Business insurance. General liability insurance protects against customer accidents. Professional liability insurance covers hairstylist-related claims. Workers' compensation insurance required if hiring employees. For legal and licensing assistance, consult Figeroux and Associates at 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us. Step 3. Find the perfect location for your salon. Your salon's location should be accessible, visible, and in an area with high foot traffic. Best NYC areas for a beauty and hair salon. Harlem. Large Black and Afro-Latina community seeking natural hair salons. Brooklyn. Flatbush, Crown Heights, Bed-Stuy. High demand for protective styles, locks, and natural hair services. Queens. Jamaica, Street Albans, Rosedale. Growing Afro-Caribbean and Black American population. The Bronx. Fordham, Soundview. Untapped market for high-quality salons catering to textured hair. Considerations for location selection. Proximity to public transportation. Make it easy for clients to reach your salon. Salon space and layout. Ensure space for styling stations, washing stations, reception area, and product displays. Rental costs and lease terms. Negotiate favorable lease agreements with legal assistance. Step 4. Design your salon and purchase equipment. Salon setup essentials, styling stations, comfortable chairs, mirrors, and professional styling tools. Shampoo stations, reclining chairs with high-quality sinks for washing hair. Waiting area, comfortable seating and entertainment. Magazines, music, Wi-Fi. Product display shelves, showcase and sell natural hair products and beauty essentials. Salon equipment and supplies. Blow dryers, flat irons, curling wands, combs, brushes, and scissors. Natural hair care products, shampoos, conditioners, oils, towels, capes, and disinfectants for cleanliness. Step 5. Hire and train a skilled team. A successful salon relies on skilled stylists and excellent customer service. Staffing needs. Licensed hairstylists, specializing in natural hair, locks, silk presses, and extensions. Braiders and lock technicians, experts in protective styles, fall locks, and cornrows. Receptionist, manages bookings and customer service. Makeup artist and esthetician, optional, offers additional beauty services. Staff training, provide training on hair care trends and styling techniques. Educate stylists on customer service and client retention. Ensure all employees understand sanitation and safety regulations. Step 6. Market your beauty salon. Online marketing strategies. Create a professional website. List your services, prices, and online booking options. Use Instagram and TikTok. Showcase client transformations and styling tips. Partner with beauty influencers. Collaborate with Black beauty bloggers and social media influencers. Local advertising and community engagement. Distribute flyers in busy shopping areas and local businesses. Host events and workshops on natural hair care and styling tips. Offer referral discounts to encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Need expert marketing guidance? Contact Figeroux and Associates at 855-768-8845. Step 7. Launch your salon and expand. Grand opening ideas. Offer discounts for first-time clients. Host a VIP launch event with beauty demonstrations. Provide gift bags with hair products for the first 50 customers. Growth strategies. Expand services to include wigs, custom hair pieces, and scalp treatments. Sell exclusive hair care products under your own brand. Open multiple salon locations across NYC. Conclusion. Starting a beauty and hair salon for women of color in NYC is a lucrative and impactful business that celebrates diverse beauty. By following this step-by-step guide, you can successfully launch and grow your salon. To legally protect your business and receive expert marketing advice, hire the business attorneys at Figeroux and Associates. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us today.
Are you ready to start or grow your business, but don't know where to begin? Small Business Solutions, a division of the law firm of Figaro and Associates, is here to help. From business formation and financing to marketing, certifications, legal, and tax advice, We provide comprehensive support to entrepreneurs like you. The path to business success starts with the right guidance. Let Small Business Solutions be your partner in navigating the challenges of business ownership. Avoid costly mistakes, secure funding, and build a strong legal foundation for your business. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Your business success starts here. Small Business Solutions, helping entrepreneurs succeed.